Every girl thinks the supercar fantasy is pure glam until you realize it is wearing heels. If you are around 6'3" to 6'7", the cabin is already tight. Add a helmet, forget it. The clearance is tiny. One GAD driveway kills your ego. So what matters more, seat fit or driveway? Cute throwback, better upgrade. AirPods 4 fit like a dream. Noise out, sound all around. Yeah, that's more my era.
Wait, what if you could create your own AI influencer and go viral with it all in the same day? No camera, no followers, no experience. I just built mine from scratch using Influencer Studio AI, and then I used their brand new viral content and posting feature to push it out. Look at this. Look at what it generated. That right there, that's not a real person. That's my AI influencer, and it's already getting views. Stick around, I'm about to show you exactly how I did it. So guys, on today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to create your viral trending videos like this. Basically, videos that are trending, you could always recreate them if you wanna, choose to do that. So if you choose to create any of the video, as you can see in the trending section. So basically what we're gonna do is click on the viral organic. This is where it's gonna take us into a variety of options which you can select from. This is basically, what you are into. You could take your time, exploring this section. You could see luxuries and wealth, economy, relatable content, minimal. You could also search for, things you may be probably relatable or something like that. So once you're done exploring this section, we'll go ahead and choose, for example, I'll go with the luxury and wealth. Click on it, and it's gonna open for us a box of basically trending. You see the trending hashtag, basically. The next step is creating a new post, a new viral post, basically. So basically, we're gonna go ahead and click on the Create New Viral Post. This is where it's gonna bring us to this template. We're gonna basically select from, you could see authority and expertise, relatable. You could see custom concepts, street interview. That is basically the kind of templates you could basically use. You're gonna go ahead and explore some of it. So next we're gonna use time travel vlog, for example. We're gonna change it to 16 to 9. Click on the 16 to 9 then for model. I'll go with Kitty this time around. Click on Kitty. This is basically the option whereby you could select what kind of model you want to use. So now you click on the create button and it's gonna take us to this nice interface already written by AI. You could always choose to, retweak it. For example, you could see the hook, how good it's looking. You could choose to re-roll the script if you wanna. This is basically the script. You could, choose whether you don't want it or, retry something else from the option. So if you scroll down, you could see the video sequence. It's your choice if you wanna extend it to 30 or 45 seconds. So basically, you could change what kind of model you wanna use. For example, I'll go with Kling 3 Pro, for example. Then the sequence, I will leave it at 15, then go ahead and create my shots. And now it's gonna take its time in generating very proper, comfortable shots for your travel vlog. For example, you could see the video segment, how they're looking. It took its time in creating them. Then if we scroll down, you could see the outfit selected for my character. Basically, AI does its work really, really good with this feature. So you're gonna go ahead and generate the video, and it's gonna go ahead and give us what we want. One thing I love about Influencer Studio is that it creates really, really realistic content that you could barely even tell was created with AI. Wow, guys, you could actually see how insane they are looking. You can see how insane the post is looking, guys. The details and everything it puts into creating these videos is really, really amazing.
Did the Renaissance Art Studio.
You could choose if you want to post
studio,
it, copy the
windows,
caption,
wet plaster.
and download it, basically.
And Bestie, where's the
so we'll go ahead and download the video, and next up, we're gonna be trying out the trend section, guys. We're probably gonna recreate other trends that have been trending lately. So we're gonna go to the trend section. Look for a particular trend with over 1 million or 45 million views or something like that. Basically, so we're gonna scroll down and find the most trendy video or something like that. So for example, once you're done searching, I'm gonna go with this particular one on the Lamborghini. It has over 18 million views. So basically it's gonna open up like that. So I'm gonna select prayer this time around for our character and generate our scripts basically. Click on the generate scripts and it's gonna open this up for us basically, the details and everything. This time around, you could choose if you want to change the video to 15 seconds or something else. We adjust our aspect ratio and other stuff. For this time around, I'll leave the aspect ratio in 9:16. Basically to be like in a TikTok format or something like that, or an IG post. So next up, once everything is done setting up, go ahead. You can go ahead and click on review shots. If you're clicking on review shots, it's gonna open to us this nice story. Once again, you could choose to re-roll if you don't like the particular examples given to you. You could choose to always re-roll the script or something like that. You could see the video segment. You could probably inspect that. You could see the post summary and everything. That is basically everything. The outfit change and the rest, everything looking really well set up. So we'll go ahead and generate our video, and it's gonna take its time in creating the video comfortably and really, really fast and reliable for you. You know, Influencer Studio is one of the best when it comes to creating AI models and the rest. It helps in advertising and creating amazing content. Wow, guys, you could take a look at the video. It looks really good, guys. It was definitely worth creating. You could see you couldn't even tell that this was probably created with AI, guys. Look at the details, looking really realistic and really good. You could choose if you want to post it on your social media, copy the caption, and download it. This is what people literally use to make lots and tons of money, guys. Basically from the comfort of their homes. Some of the models you see on IG, Facebook, or even TikTok, some of them you might think are basically real. But guys, they are not real. This is the process the creator probably went through in creating, his own content. So guys, this is basically everything you need to know about the Viral Creator Organic section, creating trends and all that. This thing is basically everything. Don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe for more content on the channel. And tell me in the comments what kind of video you want me to create next, and I'll be there to get it done, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next class.